In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type subscript in Google Docs if you need to write things like chemical formulas, math expressions, or technical notes. Using subscript helps your document look much more accurate and professional. A common example is CO2, where the number 2 should appear slightly below the line as subscript. In Google Docs, this is very easy to do once you know where to find the option. To begin, type the text you want in your document. For example, you can type CO2 normally first. Don't worry about formatting it correctly right away. The easiest method is to enter the full text as usual, then adjust only the character that needs to become subscript. Next, highlight the specific character you want to change. In this example, that would be the number 2. Be careful to select only the character that should appear lower than the rest of the text. If you accidentally highlight more than one letter or number, Google Docs will apply the formatting to everything selected. So a quick double check here can save time. Once the correct character is selected, go to the top menu and click Format. From there, move to Text and then choose Subscript. As soon as you click it, the selected character will shift downward and become smaller, which is exactly what subscript formatting is supposed to do. You should now see the updated result on your page. Using our example, CO2 will change so that the 2 appears as subscript, giving you the properly formatted version of CO2. This is especially useful for schoolwork, science documents, and any writing where precise notation matters. A helpful tip is to remember that subscript is a formatting option, not something you need to retype manually. So if you ever enter text normally by mistake, you can simply highlight the character and apply the formatting afterward. That makes corrections quick and easy. Also, when you're working in Google Docs, it's a good idea to zoom in a little if the text is small on your screen. That can make it easier to confirm that the subscript has been applied correctly, especially if you're formatting numbers or symbols in a longer document. And that's all it takes to type subscript in Google Docs. Type your text, highlight the character you want to change, go to Format, then Text, then Subscript, and your selected character will instantly appear in the correct subscript style.